Hello there! In today's math lesson, we will learn more about algebraic expressions. This is the second of a four-part series, and at the end of this lesson, you will know how to apply the use of quadratic equation box in expanding and factorizing algebraic expressions. Let's begin. In the previous lesson, we learned how to expand and factorize algebraic expressions using prime factors. Now, let's learn how to do that using the quadratic equation box. The box is just a 2x2 square that we use to put the terms of the trinomial. Assuming a quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c, let's look at the steps that must be taken when factoring using the box method. Step 1. Put the first term in the first row and the first column and the last term in the second row and second column. Step 2. Multiply the first term by the last term. Then we find two numbers that the product is equal to the product of ax and c, and the sum of the two numbers is equal to b. Let jx and kx be the two numbers. We then add the value in the two empty boxes. Step 3. Find the highest common factor of each row and column and write them down on the left or right side of the box and top or the bottom of the box respectively. Assuming the highest common factor for row 1 is qx, row 2 is r, column 1 is mx and column 2 is n. Therefore, the factors of the equation ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to qx plus r all in bracket mx plus n all in bracket. Let's try this example. Factorize 2x squared plus 9x plus 10 using the box method. Step 1. Put 2x squared and 10 in the box as shown. Always put the first term in the first row and the first column, and the last term in the second row and second column. Step 2. Multiply the first term by the last term. 2x squared times 10, which is equal to 20x squared. Next, find the factors of 20x squared that will add up to the second term, or 9x. These are some factors. 20x squared is equal to 1x times 20x. 20x squared is equal to 2x times 10x. 20x squared is equal to 4x times 5x. We can stop right here since 4x and 5x add up to 9x, and of course 20x squared when multiplied. Then insert 4x and 5x in the box. Step 3. Find the highest common factor of each row and write them down on the left or right side of the box. Then find the greatest common factor of each column and write them down on top or at the bottom of the box. Starting with the rows, now the HCF of 2x squared and 4x is 2x. HCF of 5x and 10 is positive 5. Moving to the columns, the HCF of 2x squared and 5x is x, and the HCF of 4x and 10 is positive 2. So, the factors are 2x plus 5 and x plus 2 all in bracket. Therefore, 2x squared plus 9x plus 10 is equal to 2x plus 5 all in bracket times x plus 2 all in bracket. 4x and 5x are interchangeable, so you could put 5x in the first row and 4x in the second row and still get the same answer. Great job! With this, we have come to the end of the lesson. I am sure you had a great time learning how to use the quadratic equation box. See you in the next lesson.